Hello, I'm Gopkiran Rao. I go by Gop. I'm the VP of Product Marketing and Solutions at Ikigai. A well-kept secret with effective business decision-making is the amount of information that's stuck in time series data that's across almost every business process, every enterprise that we know of. This could be time series information about marketing and sales. It could be about customer support and service, or even further upstream in the enterprise with respect to manufacturing, finance, operations, HR, heck, even facilities. The irony of time series data is that it's actually quite available and extremely accessible, especially when that information is maintained in well-managed business systems. The problem, however, is that this time series data is often a victim to frequent system changes, upgrades, migrations, conversions, even well-structured and highly regimented data models, which makes extracting this information and unifying it into a single accessible schema really hard to do, often even within the same department or function. So what you really need is a mechanism, a partner that can make sense of this data by bringing it together, harmonizing it, and reconciling it. Our passion is to put purpose in data so that companies, their partners, and their customers can drive value out of it. The Ikigai platform solves the complex and time-consuming challenges of reconciling data, forecasting, and planning across diverse time series datasets, whether that's relating to mission-critical processes of supply, demand, product, people, or budgets, all critical levers of every enterprise with respect to making key business decisions or timely actions. The challenge with time series data, however, is that while it's available, it's often inconsistent, sparse, siloed, and not easily available. So how does the system fundamentally extract information across diverse processes and data sets and make them effective in the context of harmonizing information so that you now have a unified view with which to make timely decisions, just in time, just in context, just in service of key business actions that need to be taken, almost a first best action as opposed to next best action? How do you take into account constraints relating to a number of trade-offs or scenarios that you might be needing to compute across without resorting to expensive, do-it-yourself AI projects or more spreadsheets and business rule systems? And finally, how do you apply human intuition to the art and science of decision-making, again, just in time and just in context, by invoking powerful capabilities like expert in the loop, which Ikigai brings to the table? So in conclusion, what Ikigai is really doing is it's putting the power of AI to work, blurring lines across builders and users, making timely information available in the context of a harmonized, unified view of your data, no matter where you sit in the enterprise, and being able to apply that unified view to forecasting decisions, scenario planning decisions, and choosing the best possible outcome for your business based on the types of constraints you deal with every single day. And in doing so, we believe we unlock the value of your data and really put actionable information to work for you as opposed to simply providing insights to your business users.